Hello everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Lisa, your host for this video. So I'm just going to quickly tell you what I have going on in our family room for pre-fall. I say pre-fall because it's not quite fall yet, but you know that as a social media influencer, we have to put our content out way ahead of time to stay ahead of the game. For this space, I pretty much used the same thing that I did last year, except for a couple of items that I'll point out as we discuss this space. Starting over here at my bookshelves are from CB2. The actual vase at the top is actually from Home Goods. The teal pumpkins are from Home Goods. My teal candles are from Amazon. My ceramic books are from Z Gallery. The Ming box is from Z Gallery, and the vase on the bottom shelf is from Z Gallery. And I'm a matchy girl, so whatever I did to this bookshelf is identical the same on that other bookshelf. The fireplace that I have playing on my TV is actually one of my videos. I have a screensaver playlist on my channel that I use from time to time when I'm recording videos. The white owl that's on my mirror fireplace is from Z Gallery. The two teal little jars are from Home Goods. My mirror fireplace is from Wayfair. And then I have my projector screen here. I don't think I've ever shown you guys that projector screen, but it's from Vivid. And they gifted me that over on Instagram. I also have a projector, but I took it out to space. I usually have my projector sitting right here. I'll put it back in maybe at the end of the video to show you where I have it sitting at. The two candle holders on the side of the fireplace is also from Z Gallery. The little teal or cerulean rug is from Home Goods. And my ginger jar, all my ginger jars are from Home Goods. This big, gigantic pumpkin, I purchased it last year from Home Goods. This super cute vase here is a Z Gallery vase. And this beautiful pampas grass is from Hobby Lobby. And yes, when I saw it at Hobby Lobby, I'm like, oh yes, they have some teal or cerulean pampas grass, so I had to grab. I think I have 5 bushes in here. I wish I would have got 10 because it would have been so much fuller if I would have got 10 of those, but I didn't see any. I went by there today to pick up a few more, but I didn't see any, so my loss. Then I have a couple of nesting tables over here. These came from my daughter when she had her place. My youngest daughter, she moved back in a couple of years ago, so I kept some of her stuff. And this is something that I kept. Of course, I bought it anyway, right? Then I have all my remotes and extra stuff in that little container there. My furniture is from Rooms to Go. All the furniture in this room is actually from Rooms to Go. I am actually a Rooms to Go ambassador. I will place a link down below to the furniture. Love this furniture. I'll try to give you a little detailed overview of why I love the furniture at the end of the video. My pillows. The pillows here, these alligator looking pillows, these are from Z Gallery. This one here is from Moina Decor. And this is another Moina Decor pillow here. And this is from Home Goods. And it's perfect because it has that splash of gold in there. And I'm trying to get splashes of gold in this space for fall. This mirror is actually from Z Gallery. That wall art over there, you know, with the splashes of gold, gray, black, is from Home Goods. My lamps are from Home Goods. Then I have another ginger jar from Home Goods. A couple other little teal pumpkins. And that funny looking shaped teal object over here. This is also from Z Gallery. I've had it for several years. Let's talk about the coffee table. Coffee table again is from Rooms to Go. The Ming boxes at the bottom, the teal and gold boxes, are from Z Gallery. The ottomans are from Ross. I've had those ottomans for many years, so you may not be able to get your hands on them. But if I can find some teal ottomans at Amazon or somewhere, I'll place a link down below if you want to get this look. And I also placed some teal Ming boxes down below as well, just in case you want to get this look. The squirrel candle holders are from Bath and Body Works. Set down on one of the items. The squirrel candle holders again are from Bath and Body Works. These candles right here are from Amazon. I will place a link down below to them. I don't think I have batteries in them because they're pretty light. They do have batteries in them, but I don't need it on right now. So these are from Amazon. I'll place the link down below to those. The vases here, super cute, awesome find from Z Gallery several years ago. Another cerulean pumpkin. And this grass here is a Hobby Lobby grass. I've had it for several years. They usually have it every year at Hobby Lobby, but I did not see that grass this year at Hobby Lobby. So I'm glad that I got some bushes of that when I did. My area rug on the floor is actually an indoor-outdoor rug. It came from Sam's. I'll place the link down below if that's available. My wall art over here is actually from Kirkland's. I've had it for several years. And my super cute water feature is from Amazon. Now, I'm going to tell you, I don't run this water feature all the time. I only run it maybe on the weekends. This water fountain is high maintenance. I tell you, you got to keep that water, you know, stay on top of your water. You don't want it to get all slimy and stuff like that. So I don't run it all the time. And when I do run it, I use like I may use a cap of bleach in there to keep the water fresh. Or I also use some, there's some algae preventer that I ordered from Amazon. And I actually changed out the rocks. Those are not the rocks that came in it. I don't know if you can see here. Yeah, those are not the rocks that actually came in it. I took those from outside. Yes. So that's all that I have going on in this space. I want to show you what I did to this little corner over here while I have you on the video. So this corner here is an area in my house that I pretty much ignore all year until fall and Christmas. So I had a fuchsia teal pumpkin last year. It was velvet. Oh my God, I'm so upset with myself. I left it outside and it changed colors. Because I put it outside for some reason on my patio. And the fuchsia like turned color. So I actually went and picked this one up from Home Goods. And since it is, you know, October or whatever, so you can use this pumpkin either with the spider side showing, or you can flip it over like this and use it this way if you're not into the spooky part of it. I think I like that side better anyway. Then I have some little witch's shoes there that I thought to jazz up this little corner. And these little vases are from Z Gallery here. I forgot what they're called. But they come in the clear and they also come in like a brownish gold looking color. My pampas grass is from Etsy. Those mirrors are from Home Goods. My bar cart is from Home Goods as well. Yes, so I'm so happy that I was able to squeeze that area in to the video. Now I also want to show you why I love these couches. Now, of course, I can get some much prettier couches than this, but I love these because they're functional and they're perfect for a family room. You know, you can sit in here. There's a phone charging station. If you want to read, you know, you can turn your lights on here. See, it has lights underneath there. You can charge your phones. It has little drink stations. So you either can lounge around and lay down, or you can, you know, chill and watch a movie, sit back in these chairs. You can actually let the legs up. Let me show you. Then it has another charging station over on this side, but you can let your legs up. It actually can lay all the way out. Look at that. How awesome is that? Yeah, it can lay all the way out here. You know, you can sit, to watch a movie, you can sit comfortably. 4 people if you let down the middle part of each couch, but we very seldomly let those down. If me and my husband is in here, I'm laying on this couch, he laying on that couch, or we both trying to fit on one couch. Or if my grandkids are in here, of course, they have the middle section let down because they're having all their gadgets and gadgets charged up. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. And the next video will probably be my master bedroom video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.